I hit the snooze at least 5 times. Alarm set to like 9 times. And every time my iPhone alarm go off, my heart stops. I check the watch and check the clock. Goddamn, time flies. Check Twitter and Instagram timelines. A bunch of happy hashtags.
Okay, to start it off, while I'm putting my shoes on. Again, it's like, I don't know what time it is. There's a clock right there. It's like 2:10 in the morning. 2:20. I don't know the time. It's fucking late, like always. Let me put my shoes on. I'm tired. I'm high. I smoked before this. Freaking. So I'm back. I'm gonna do 3 moves today. Basically, like what I would think would be like the next step after the moves I like showed you in the last one. Same thing. My legs are hearing. My feet are ashing. I'm sorry if that bothers you. Another disclaimer: I have not been up to making videos lately, but I decided to make this video. I don't know if I'm gonna put it up anytime soon. Oh my Jesus, get on there. Fuck. I got big feet, you guys. Freaking. And what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so I haven't been up to making videos just in general. I've had a lot going on. And then another reason, every time I get on like YouTube and look at comments, like there's definitely like a bunch of like amazing positive ones from like my diehards that like love me regardless if I'm coughing or not. But they're just like stupid either like backhanded compliments or repetitive questions. Like, no offense, I've answered what the fuck is tip out 180,000 times already, either in comments. I even have a video titled what is tip out. So actually I have 2. It's in 2 different videos. I've mentioned it in a bunch of different videos and I still fucking get that question. So it just pisses me off that, like, no offense, I take the time to make these videos, edit them, put them out there for you guys, and you guys don't even take the time to watch them. You literally just like see that I'm making stripper videos and then like, oh, let me just ask her this question instead of take 20 minutes to watch the full fucking video. And it pisses me off because like at first I was like, oh yeah, I'll answer all the comments, and then I'm still getting repetitive comments, and I was like, okay, so I'll start making videos on the comments that I'm getting, still getting the same questions. So I don't know what you guys want me to do. Like, I'm starting to think that it's not even that you guys are it's not even that you guys don't have the information you need to start dancing. I think it's just that you guys are afraid of doing it alone. Like, that answer from a comment from me would like just motivate you guys just a little bit more to go for it. So I ultimately think you guys should check out the group me because it's a bunch of girls interacting, so you won't feel like you're doing it by yourself. And maybe it'll make less annoying on my side because it's just like, what the fuck do I have to do like to make you understand what the fuck tip out is, because I've answered it so many fucking times. Like, I'm not even gonna say what it is in this video because go figure it out. Like, I can't deal. I can't deal. And then like some of the lack of common sense, I just feel like an asshole, and I don't want to feel that way, but it's just like, you lack all types of common sense for that question. Not even to call anyone out on that, but use some common sense before you type those questions. So yeah, I've been at a, I don't know, crossroads with YouTube right now. I haven't really been in the mood for it, but I'm back. The struggle. Okay, for this one, to start it off, okay, so to explain the 3 moves I'm going to be doing. So last time I did like my leggy move where I go up, I totally forgot just to like go down and slam my legs. If you can do a full like open middle split, it would look so much nicer, but I can't do one. But I'm still going to show you how I do it without doing a middle split. And frankly, I don't like to roll over just like because I don't want to happen to do that like a time I have a wig on or something that like can come off my head and then like roll over and my hair not be on my head. So I don't do the whole rollover thing frankly, it's just uncomfortable on my neck. Sometimes I think it looks really awkward on girls. So I don't do the whole rollover, but I will show you guys how I slim down. And then someone asked about when you individually, I don't know what it's called. Like, she totally used the right word, and I was like, oh yeah, I gotta remember to like phrase it that way, but I forgot. When you individually move your butt cheeks, like, so I'm gonna show you how to do that one. And then I can't do like either one of my splits, middle split or side split. I'm close to one of my side splits with this as my front leg, but I'm not there yet. But I will show you how to do, like, if you're lucky enough to already be flexible, how to do a split and like twerk in the split, I guess, because I can do like the top twerking part, but like I can't go all the way down. So I will show you that, and then yes, let's just get started. We're gonna start with the little. So ignore how high my shorts are hiked up right now. I probably have a camel toe. It just helps with you guys like visualizing what I'm doing. To start it off, freaking, if you have like more of an arch in your back, it'll look better regardless of your butt size. I don't have that big of like a dip or an arch in my back, so it's not that, I don't know. It still works, but it's not as noticeable. So I'll show you how to do it. This one is my stronger streak. I struggle more with this one. But to get into, I don't know, there's probably a picture somewhere on one of these machines of like what muscle technically you're squeezing. But let me see like what, because I remember when I was like, okay, so when you're sitting down, like squeeze your butt cheeks together, and basically that's the muscle you're squeezing when you're doing that's what it's gonna be called, just not even a name. You guys have to look for the motion. So when you're doing it's, I don't know, sit on your butt and just squeeze your butt cheeks together. Feel the muscles that you're using, because those are the same muscles that you're using. So get off your butt and then bring those muscles up. And now do the same thing. I'm squeezing like both at the same time now. And now try to like just do one side at a time. So now it's just my stronger side, which is this one. I actually don't do that on stage, because like after a couple like seconds of it, my butt gets tired and I find I can't go with the beat. That takes a lot of muscle memory, like more than the like butt clapping move. Like, damn, I really need to Google what the names of these are. But that's why I feel like this was like a good move for part 2, because like it's a lot. Like, your butt gets sore. It's just a weird. it's a lot of muscle memory for that one. So let me know if that helped you. It's like hard to explain because a lot of these are just like random muscles you don't use naturally. You like find out just because you are a stripper. So the next one is an easy one because I've like already basically showed you how. It's the up one. I basically think I was like too close to the mirror last time I did this. That's why I didn't include me slamming down. But I'm gonna do it on the side so you can actually see like where my legs go. Just and then from the middle. And if you can do, like I said, a middle split, it'll look so much nicer because you'll just slam down and your legs will just be like on the side of you, and then you're like, oh my Jesus, vagina. So if you can do a middle split, that move will look so much better, but I can't. So I'll see if I can roll over, but let me show you how unattractive it is, because I don't know, I don't fuck with rolling over. Let me see. I'm like afraid. Ooh, like no, see, I wouldn't even trust myself to do that. I see my hair getting caught. Nope, I'm not rolling over. That's a move that I will never fuck with. But from, yeah, I showed you how I transition out of that usually. Yeah, I don't know. I can't roll over. It ain't happening in this video. So I hope that it's just like really simple. You just slam your legs down. I mean, if you can do the first part, you should be able to slam your legs down. I don't know. That one should have like really been in the first video. I just forgot to slam my legs down. But this last one is the split one. So again, I can't do a full split. So, but if you can, if you're working on one, this is the perfect like move to integrate into your split, and it's to like twerk while you're splitting. So basically you're just like popping up. I've also seen like if you can do a full split, guys really like seeing like girls like slam just like up and down. So like if you can just do the whole motion of that really and you don't have to twerk, I've seen guys really like that. But if you have a butt, you're better off just like throwing it in there too. So you really just like pop your butt up, like push your waist out while you're moving upwards. And you get that motion? Oh Jesus, that was hurting my waist. But yeah, that would be the last one. I hope you guys enjoyed. My head's cut off, I know it is. Freaking. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it was like less moves, but I'm kind of like restricted on like what I actually can do in here. It's freaking like a yoga studio basically. I don't know really, but you guys gave me some good ideas. If you guys have any more ideas that you think I could like finagle in here, definitely leave them in the comments below. But other than that, oh yeah, and leave those in the comments below. No fucking stupid questions in this video. I'm sorry. That's what I mean, like that's why I just had to take a break, because I was like I felt like I was being mean, and I don't want to be mean. I'm just like tired of answering those questions. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.
Swerve. I'm in too deep. I can't float. You don't really love me. I can't go. We can dance in acid rain underneath rainbow.